emerge from the walls, unveiling the darkest secrets of the past. These are the tales of creep.
Blood for the earth, fire for the sky. The ancient ones rise.
And welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the weirdest punishments from the medieval era, like the dreaded tickler. We looked into the weirdest punishments of all time. These are the Dumb Kings. Think you know your history. What if we told you that much of what you learned was a lie?